Welcome back, everybody. This is Jeffrey Brown. I'm here to offer Flat Earthers challenge number 25. The objective is to explain seasons, its mechanics, and the sun angles using the Flat Earth model. You must do both models, the globe heliocentric model and the Flat Earth model, in explaining the Earth seasons and the sun angles. Here's the criteria. You must explain heat distribution. Why is it cold in December in the Northern Hemisphere? And why is it warm in the Southern Hemisphere on the Flat Earth model? And you must also explain it on the Globe Earth model. And you must explain why is it cold in June in the Southern Hemisphere and warm in the Northern Hemisphere on the Flat Earth model and the heliocentric Globe Earth model. You will also need to explain why in New Zealand on December 21st of any given year the sun is visible for more than 14 hours. However, while the sun is not visible in northern Greenland at all. Take a look at this photo right here. I took this photo in northern Greenland about 10 years ago. It was taken in the middle of December around noontime. There was only a small window of twilight between 11 o'clock and 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Like I said, this window of twilight only lasted for about 2 hours, and you will need to explain this as well. And this happened in the middle of December, just a couple days before December 21st of 2010. Next, you will be given 4 sun angle scenarios. The scenario will have an observer from each location that will view the sun and measure the sun angle simultaneously at the given times. For example, if it's 13:30 in Los Angeles, it is 16:30 in Miami. You will need to match the sun angles on 21 December in Perth, Australia at 0520, 20 December in Hilo, Hawaii at 1120, 20 December in Los Angeles, California at 1320, and 20 December in Miami, Florida at 1620 using suncalc.com on the Flat Earth model and the Globe Earth model as well. You have to use both models. You will need to use physical scaled-down models of the globe and flat earth models and a light source to simulate the sun. You will also need to get some sticks as well. You will also need to post sticks on the aforementioned locations on the globe and the flat earth model. You must use suncalc.org to get the angles at the specific given times and locations. On the globe model, you will put small sticks in the location perpendicular to the locations like you see here, okay? And you also need a light source like a flashlight. And you also need to put the globe in the correct position at 24 degrees. The globe experiment must simulate the heliocentric model. Next, you will need to put small sticks in these locations on the flat earth model. You will also need a light source to simulate the sun angles on the flat earth model as well. You must use the given times that were mentioned earlier. Here are the sun angles at the given times from each locations. Here is Perth, Australia. Here is Hilo, Hawaii. Los Angeles, California. And Miami, Florida. Now you will need to match the sun angles from suncalc.com to the Globe Earth model and the Flat Earth model. And you will need to explain, do seasons work on the Flat Earth model or do they only work on the Globe Earth model? You will also need to get reviews of your findings from these 10 different official sources. 3 different official cartographers, 3 sources from the accredited universities in the meteorology field, 2 sources from the physics field, and 2 sources from ship navigators. If only the flat stationary geocentric non-rotating Earth model fully explains the seasons plus the aforementioned sun angles, and the heliocentric rotating Globe Earth model does not explain the seasons and the sun angles, then you will win $350,000. Yes, you heard that right. You will win $350,000 if you can prove that seasons can only be explained on the flat, stationary, non-rotating geocentric Earth model. All reviewers must state in official capacity in writing that the seasons and the aforementioned sun angles can only happen on a geocentric non-rotating stationary flat Earth model, and not the heliocentric rotating globe Earth model in order to receive the $350,000. Do you understand this? And is this clear?